Zooming and panning a still image. Here I have a still image, a PNG file. Now, if I come up into my effects control and I am going to go and pick on this particular PNG file, I'm going to put my playhead at the start at 0. I'm going to set the position and scale. I'm going to set the scale down to say 50. And I'm going to change the position to say 150. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to turn on the scale and turn on the position. And so right now, they're both set to the left side here and to 50%. Now what I'm going to do is move my playhead all the way over to the end here. Okay. And I'm going to come over here and change these here. I'm going to change this to 360. And I'm going to change the scale to 200. All right. And so you see I created these keystrokes in here. Now, what I want to do is I want to come back to the beginning here, and I'm going to play my playhead. And you can see how it moved. Okay, the center was right here, and now the center keeps moving a little bit to the right, and it's zooming all the way out. So let me stop it right here. So you can see the center now moved a little bit to the right, and it zoomed from 50% to 200%. So it works really no different than zooming and scaling a video clip, but we do this a lot with graphics, and we can rotate them and things like that too. So when we come in here, we could actually have rotated that. So if I come back here and say, well, okay, if I turn on the rotation now, that was at 0, and I bring it all the way back over here, and I set the rotation to, I don't know, let's just do something for fun here, to 45%. All right, it's going to be kind of wonky a little bit, but hey, now when I come back and play it, it does all three. Okay, so we can come in here, and with a still image, we can zoom, we can pan, and we can even rotate if we want. The rotating sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't, but hey, it's all of them are up to you to use, and they work great for all kinds of graphics.